right, everybody, I'm going to show you how to use these graphic organizers. The first thing that you are going to do is to choose an organizer that best suits your needs. And all of them work and do the same thing. It's going to help you take notes, going to help you come up with a conclusion. There are a few slight differences. So you see this one is completely writing, and then you have ones like these where you can include a picture or a diagram, and some of them are just organized slightly differently to help you think about how you like to visually best organize yourself. So really choose one that really speaks to your organizational skills. I personally like this one because of how it has its box and bullets kind of look to it. So one of the things that I want to show you is how to fill it out. So where it says source, and it says type here, the first thing you're going to do is type in your source. Then here, once you cite your source into a bibliography, MyBib is a great way to do that, but just make sure you cite it somewhere. You're just going to put an X in here to make sure you do that. This is where you're going to add in your research question / topic. So a research question should be, how much technology is too much? And then this is where you're going to start taking notes. APA recommends less than 2 hours a day. And you're going to complete all your notes here. Once you have all your notes, your conclusion is kind of like, all right, now that you've gotten the information, what is it that you really want people to understand from this research? So like, what's your main point? So let's say that from my research, I found out that the APA recommends less than 2 hours a day. Children are getting addicted. So I would say like something is, there is such a thing as too much technology, and we all need to create limits and boundaries with our devices. So that's an example of a conclusion. Now, one other thing I want to point out is that if you have multiple sources, you're only going to do one graphic organizer per source. So the way that you would do that, so let's say you've got one from BrainPop. Now I am going to go to File. Nope. I'm going to go here, Edit, Duplicate. And it's going to copy this slide for me. And I'm just going to change my source. So maybe now I'm getting my information from Nucella. And then I'm going to type in my info here. The other thing you can do is you can just click the delete button and get rid of any slides you're not using, so it's not super duper overwhelming. All right, that's all I got. Have a great day.